Congratulations.
Give a hug, man.
It's a big day.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Well, go on. Welcome back, viewers, subscribers, especially. Oh, no, know the vibes. Otherwise, subscribe if for your first time. Oh, for you so. And we are going to talk about where the description of the video say. So stick around and get a thumbs up. Mad. So, lottery winner wear a scream mask for hide himself from, you don't know, family members and friends. You don't know him initial, I go by A. Campbell. Anyways, anybody can name so but like lottery people them do it. But not tell like them costume with we shot. And dog win $158 million. So you know the dog nice dog. So you know no joke in it. Anyways, well, dancehall artist Intence, you know, visit Cayman go shell it down in a different way, and you don't know look like him pass through some places and he might leave film impact. Or I can say mark.
Charlie, when I talk to you, can't move no more, you kill them now. Cut away a little bit, brother. Don't move, cut up. And phone and broke up the pussy to out of them.
As a third world country, we have to proud on our own right here. So every local accomplishment, achievements aside. Yeah, so Jada Kingdom signed new record label with a company owned by Universal Music Group, that are UMG, one of the biggest, you know, music business them is it in our industry right now. And you don't know, we see this over and over regular. I don't know on you if you ask me. If you ask me, hold on there. We see people regularly sign deals and it not do nothing for them and them something there. Where them need to do a more independent in themselves as a Jamaican. You see me? If you understand what I say, is it build themselves, but it's a good look still. We never know what might can happen, but we are look towards the greatest thing for our own, like I said. You see me? So congratulations to Jada Kingdom. We don't know that go. Mama heavy, you don't know. Plus, the Go Dung the challenge is finally out, guys. So you can go over Spice page and go check it out. The rest of information on the behalf of that. You don't know it go. $1 million in prize giveaway. More than one lucky contestant.
I didn't come on live to stay long. I come on live to talk about the Go Down the challenge that we've been having. As you know, a whole heap of good, nice, clean people enter. So now for give Caesar what it gives to Caesar. The people them come out strong in the competition. If you agree, say agree. I feel like people put in a lot because I see the people them even come for the video. Like at the official video, I see the people them get real editor. I see a lot of people get all drone, aerial shots. The people them get costume. The people them go on real good. So I agree. See people I say I agree. I feel like people went all out for the competition. What I wanted to say, and the reason why I came live before my bed, I'm fresh from a nice clean body and go on my bed. Tomorrow I'm going to post the winners. I don't want no anxiety and a problem and a fuss because at the end of the day, it was a difficult decision for me. I posted that even before I post the top 10 that it's been very difficult. I feel like people bring them A game. But what I want to highlight as well, the competition is being judged on creativity, the use of Magnum tonic wine, whining, of course, super talent. So if people bring creativity and them now whine and the creativity is top notch, them lose points. So, for example, if we're going to judge the competition, say, here we a 3 top category. Alright, you have to get 30 points for win. If you do good pan creativity, you get 10. If you do good pan whining, you get 10. If you do good pan the use of Magnum, you get 10. If somebody just a wine alone, right, they say you know so them lose points if they not no creativity. So you have to look for stuff like that. So with me choosing the winner, I have to look for stuff like that. I have to look for who use up the Magnum. Remember says Magnum money. Remember it's not ours. Remember says it's not our own. So product placement is of course important in the competition. So you have to look who go all out and place the product because the company is paying their money. So product placement is necessary. And you have to use the product placement in a good way to also highlight the company. So some people may drop out and some people are DM me and I say, oh, this drop out. Why this drop out? You have to look out of your eye. You have to look out of your eye. You have to be very wise. You have to look who are wine. You have to look who are Magnum. Magnum till I repeat over and over. And then you have to look for creativity. So I just wanted to come live before contestant. Alright. I just wanted to come live to explain the process before tomorrow when we start posts. And I will be traveling tomorrow because I have a show in Virginia on Saturday. So I will be traveling tomorrow. So I know how when I dip on the plane when I done me and I rub me out and I say, me not choose the winner good. I want to explain to people, you know. Some people just have me number and wait till I come on live to call me. Upsetting, man. Alright, anyway. So tomorrow when I post, I'm going to post all the videos over again, the top 6 that we have. And comments is what's going to allow us to see your preference. Because I want to get you involved. It doesn't necessarily mean that the person who have the most comments are going to win. Because we already tell you where we are choose them. People are the number. They must have them can't hear. Where in Virginia you're going to be? Twerkchella. That's the name of the show that I'm going to for Saturday. Twerkchella. And then I leave and go to Bliss, I think, Washington or something like that. Not Washington, but Bliss nightclub for the after party. So some sister on our vote. So anyway, I wanted to come live to say when I post videos tomorrow, you are going to vote based on comment. Because I also noticed in the competition that you have dancers who is popular more than some dancers. So I don't necessarily want to go on views, who get the most views or who get the most whatever. When you type your comment, I can see how much people comment. So if you don't like a video, don't comment. Leave it alone. Don't say nothing. If you don't want that person to win, don't comment. So I want to make sure I don't be biased. Because at the end of the day, you can't judge off of views. Because remember now, you the fans have to watch the video to see it. And it doesn't, if it, you know, mean say you like it if you watch it. You looking at a video gives it a view, but it doesn't necessarily mean say you like it. Alright? So tomorrow when I post again, only comment if you are voting for that video. And I will also put it in the caption, but somehow on the head, soft. Use up on the eye. Look for Magnum. Look for Magnum tonic wine. Look for creativity. And also look for who is whining. Don't be biased. Let us just have fun. It's a fun competition. Big up Magnum tonic wine. And you don't know how the thing go. We'll decide tomorrow who is going to be the top winner for the Go Dung Day. Big dance competition. We're sharing up $1 million Jamaican dollars. Right there, so there. I just came to tell you guys quickly how we're going to do it tomorrow. So big up on yourself. Me see all of the vote them. Me see all of the vote them. I love you guys. Go down there, right there, so. The big top summer song. Yeah, that's right there. Alright? Me need you to see. I see the vote. Me not call the people them who not vote for. Vote for them tomorrow morning. We're going to decide who will walk away with a share of $1 million. First place get 500,000. Second place get 300,000. And third place get 200,000. But one thing me I tell you, you know, dancer. Me I go see which one of call me and buy me back a little drink or something out of the money. Right, so.